Today, we will be opening up the Professor Juniper box. This may look like a very small box, but inside of it, it contains 7 Pokemon TCG booster packs, 6 permanent ready to damage dice, 2 coins, a large coin, and then it has 65 card sleeves and 3 additional foil Professor's Research cards and 1 full art. So I am very excited to open this today. I have actually purchased this Professor Juniper box out of a Pokemon vending machine, which was very cool and entertaining. I have never purchased a Pokemon card out of a Pokemon vending machine before, so that was very cool. This was $40, by the way. So yeah, let's open this up right now. So here are the 2 coins. Here's the giant Professor Juniper coin. And then we have a bag of dice. And then we have 65 sleeves. This doesn't look like 65. We have a surprise here. Let's open this one up. Alright, so here is the code card right here. We got a Professor's Research Holo. Another Professor's Research Holo. And then we have the 3rd Professor's Research Holo. And then our final card is a Professor's Research Full Art. I really love the artwork on this. Gee, look at that. I'm gonna have to search up on TCG how much this card is. And then in this little cute thing here, it contains 7 booster packs. We're gonna start off with the Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars. Here is your code. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Gosh, it really seems like the booster packs in, you know, something like this right here is really hard to open. I don't know why. Like on my Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars booster packs, those are very easy to open, but these ones are kind of hard. I don't know. Is it just me or... Okay, we got something. We got something. Ooh, okay, we have a Zay. Sorry, I just watched a YouTube video how to pronounce this Pokemon, but it's Zamazenta. I'm gonna put all the good pulls right here. This so far is definitely worth $40. Honestly, guys, I don't care if I don't even make my money back opening this box. This is just very entertaining for me. It's so fun. This is so worth it. This is very fun to open anyways. Another W. That's 2 in a row. Such a god pack. We have a Morpeko V. You see, this is what I mean by fun. Wow. That's 2 in a row. 2 W's in a row, guys. Let me zoom in a little bit. There you go. How come I can't get W's on my YouTube shorts? But on these videos I can. Very strange. You know. By the way, guys, if you guys are just watching my YouTube videos, make sure to check out my YouTube shorts. They're trending big time right now. And then we have an Alcremie. Onto the Fusion Strike. We never had a streak of having 2 good cards in a row. That was very, very, very unique pull of this video. Alright, Krokna as the reverse and an Obstagoon Holo. Whoa, wait, hold on. Look at the coloring of these 2 cards. See how this is a little bit darker than the other? Maybe this is a special card. Who knows? Anyhow, we have Psychic Energy, Spongy Globes, Frostmoth, Simisear. Oops, I skipped a couple. a bunny Dynamo, and the reverse holo is something that I can't pronounce, and then a Landorus holo. We got a holo out of every single pack, or a V card out of every single pack so far. Whoa, okay. The code card was showing at a different, it was facing out a different way that time. Very strange. Energy. I have a feeling we're gonna get something good on this one. We're just gonna have to find out, you know? Yeah, do I see something shiny? I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments. You can pause the video and comment right now if you want. Oh, never mind. On to the last pack. Chilling regions. I know the YouTuber Max Mofo likes to do this, but he likes to usually throw the energy card in the front like that. Maybe I should be doing that too from now on. I don't know. Should I do it? Let me know in the comments. I mean, I don't have a problem with doing that. I think that would be funny. Overall, we got the Professor's Research full art, Morpeko V full art, and then a Galarian Obstagoon holo, Landorus holo, and then this one's my favorite, the Zamazenta V full art. Let me know which pull was your favorite. And guys, thank you almost for hitting 300 subscribers, or I'm probably at 300 subscribers. I haven't checked yet, but wow. They're getting crazy. The subscribers are getting crazy. Thank you, everybody. Like the video if you did. Comment down below my video suggestions. What should I do next? And thanks for watching, everybody.